Welcome to my channel Improve English with Hina Memon. Let's learn 50 sentences of present simple tense. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. The alarm clock rings at 6:30 a.m. The alarm clock rings at 6:30 a.m. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. I check my email in the morning. I check my email in the morning. My mom cooks dinner in the evening. My mom cooks dinner in the evening. I go for a walk after dinner. I go for a walk after dinner. I read a book before bedtime. I read a book before bedtime. The train arrives at 8:30 a.m. The train arrives at 8:30 a.m. I wear a suit to work. I wear a suit to work. My sister plays the piano. My sister plays the piano. I drink coffee in the afternoon. I drink coffee in the afternoon. The cat sleeps on the sofa. The cat sleeps on the sofa. My brother watches TV in the evening. My brother watches TV in the evening. I listen to music while exercising. I listen to music while exercising. The kids play in the park. The kids play in the park. I drive to work on weekdays. I drive to work on weekdays. We have lunch at noon. We have lunch at noon. The clock ticks loudly. The clock ticks loudly. I water the plants every day. I water the plants every day. Bird sings in the morning. Bird sings in the morning. I take a shower before bed. I take a shower before bed. The mailman delivers letters. The mailman delivers letters. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. I do my laundry on Sundays. I do my laundry on Sundays. My neighbor mows the lawn. My neighbor mows the lawn. I write a to-do list every morning. I write a to-do list every morning. The garbage truck comes on Wednesdays. The garbage truck comes on Wednesdays. I call my parents on the weekend. I call my parents on the weekend. The store opens at 9 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. I exercise at the gym. I exercise at the gym. The children play with their toys. The children play with their toys. I meet friends for coffee. I meet friends for coffee. The computer starts up quickly. The computer starts up quickly. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. The clock chimes at midnight. The clock chimes at midnight. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. We celebrate birthdays with cake. We celebrate birthdays with cake. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. I watch the news on TV. I watch the news on TV. I take a nap on Saturdays. I take a nap on Saturdays. My cat purrs when I pet her. My cat purrs when I pet her. I answer emails in the afternoon. I answer emails in the afternoon. The teacher explains the lesson. The teacher explains the lesson. I go shopping on Saturdays. I go shopping on Saturdays. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. The traffic light turns red. The traffic lights turns red. I turn off the lights before sleeping. I turn off the lights before sleeping. The supermarket closes at 10 p.m. The supermarket closes at 10 p.m. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative, more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.